Alright guys, here's the new owner of my 2004 Yamaha R6. What is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today's a bit of a bittersweet one. Let's get on the road and talk about it. Alright guys, so today's video has kind of been in the works for a little bit, but sadly we're parting ways with my 2004 Yamaha R6. It's about that time. I don't ride it no more, and she needs to go to a better home where she can be enjoyed and loved and ridden. I'm stuck on the MT-09, man. I love this bike too much. I have no desire to really go back to the R6. This bike has everything, you know, I could ever really want. Plenty enough power to have fun with, so yeah, it's about that time that we get rid of the R6. It's kind of sad, you know. Started the channel and spinning pretty much all the videos, but it is what it is, man. How do you feel about me selling the R6?
Needs to go to a better place.
Yeah. But yeah guys, so we're on our way right now to go meet up with the new buyer. So yeah, we'll catch you guys then. I wasn't sure if I was gonna fit through that one. I was like, see your tramp stamp. She won't stay on the ground. Gotta have a little bit of fun with the R6 before we say goodbye. Lots of fun. Some more biker friends. Alright guys, you're about to meet the new owner of my 2004 Yamaha R6. Sadness.
Sadness. It was fun while it lasted.
Yeah, I think he said over here. Alright guys, here's the new owner of my 2004 Yamaha R6. It's my brother, bitches. Oh yeah, tricked you guys, didn't we? So yeah guys, my brother's taken over the R6. He purchased it from me just recently. I know you guys have seen him riding it in the videos here and there, so it's kind of been underway for a little while. But your boy's back on a sport bike, man. Went to a good home, couldn't have it any other way. There's no way I could ever let this bike go, keeping it in the family. So you guys are still gonna see this bike, and we're gonna have lots of fun with it. But yeah, my brother's the new owner of my R6. Alright guys, now that you have met the new owner of the R6, let's talk about it a little bit. So yeah, basically we kind of figured this out a long time ago, kind of shortly after I got my bike. I figured I didn't really have a use for two bikes. I mean, I do, of course, everybody does, but I couldn't see my boy without a sport bike. That's what he belongs on. He's a natural on, so we had to get him back on a sport bike, and this was the best way. You know, I get a little bit for the bike, and he gets back on a sport bike, and I still get to see it, and he's gonna let me ride it whenever I want. Stays on the channel. I mean, I don't know if any of you are emotionally attached to the R6 or not, but you know I am. It was the start of our channel, and it's been there. So is the Gixxer, rest in peace. I'm gonna fall over. But she's no longer with us, so you know, that was short-lived.
Neither's the Cruiser.
Yeah, Cruiser's gone too. That was officially sold about a week ago. We wanted to make a video on that, but actually it was totally just out of nowhere. It was we had no idea what was happening until it happened, so couldn't really record that. But yeah, the Cruiser's gone. I'm sure nobody was really emotionally attached to that one, but you never know, maybe.
We helped someone out, another guy get on a bike.
Yeah, it's a local guy purchased the bike. We know they're gonna have fun with it, and we may even ride with them one of these days, so look out for that. But yeah, your boy's back on a sport bike. He's been loving it. He's, you know, a lot happier, as we all knew he would be. I mean, it's just what we're born to ride, man. But you know, he made that Cruiser work for him for a long time. But now he's back in business, and we can have some more fun together. But yeah, let us know what you guys think. Sorry we had to toy with your emotions like that. Just thought we'd make it fun and, you know, entertaining, and wanted to make you guys sweat a little bit. But you'll be happy to know it's staying in the family, and it'll be on the channel for, you know, years to come. So stay tuned for some epic content. We got some cool stuff in the works. But yeah, we're gonna go tear up these streets a little bit.
Tear up the filthy streets. Especially this one.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this bumpy street.
Dodge and weave, dodge and weave.
You can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a pothole.
Whoa, no likey. Forgot how messed up this road is.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Oh god. Yeah, it's really bad. That's just not even fun.
It used to be.
Oh. Oh, yeah. If it wasn't so bumpy, it'd be nice. Oh, gosh.
Some nice turns.
Yeah. I'm just afraid of what's going to pop out of the corner.
It's a squirrel.
Surprise, mother... Well, I definitely prefer a squirrel over a SUV. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is real nice. Oh, oh. Treat. Okay, well, that was exciting. Oh, I know where we're at now. It's my Willie Street. Woo! Oh, snit. Look, Mom, no hands.
Yeah, no hands?
Freaking psycho. Give your boy an R6 and then look what he does. Splat.
Maybe this time I could bring back old memories to see if anybody remembers. Watch. Whee! Remember that?
Yeah, I remember. How could I forget? This is comedy. Red light. Oh, shit. Oh, that was a big ass bump too. Yeah, she definitely went to the right home, that's for sure. Little wannabe stunter over here.
Yeah, wannabe for sure. More like a comedy stunner.
Practice makes perfect. Nice. What the? What was that? Bloop. Alrighty, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short little epic video announcing the new owner of my R6. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, leave a comment down below, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.